a blueprint, it will be really hard to construct a building, and without a roadmap, you will probably get lost more often. The fun fact is, GPS uses scale drawings too. Scale drawing makes it easy to see large things such as buildings and roads on paper. It is also used to illustrate items that are not convenient to draw at their actual size. Take a tour with me as we explore today's topic. Hello and welcome to ExamPadi. Our topic today is scale and scale drawing. In this lesson, we will explore scale drawing, discover the materials used in scale drawing, and make a scale drawing. Scale drawing can be described as the drawing of lines and objects to any given proportion or ratio. In other words, it is the process of drawing an object to another size of its original size. Scale drawing is different from ordinary drawing or sketching because it provides an accurate representation of the objects under consideration. There are scales for the reduction and enlargement of the size of the objects. Materials used for scale drawing are 1. Metric rule. This has two flat straight edges and it is usually 30 cm long. 2. Scale rules. The scale rules have 3 straight edges and are triangular in shape. Each edge of the scale rule is graduated and the designated scale is marked on the rule. Meter rule is a flat measuring device used to measure the length, height, or width of an object. It is normally made of wood, plastic, or metal. The meter rule is graduated in millimeters or centimeters. 10 millimeters equals 1 centimeters. Many kinds of meter rules are graduated between 0 centimeters and 100 centimeters. The straight parallel bars on the meter rule shows the readings. To measure dimensions on the meter rule, ensure you follow the principles below. 1. Do not take measurements directly with a compass or divider. Instead, use the meter rule. 2. Ensure the meter rule is placed along the line to be measured. 3. Always make a short dash at the right angle to the meter rule during measurements. 4. After setting off a dimension, it's advisable to double check that the dimension and distance is accurate. 5. Small letters should be used for the various units of measurements. 6. For dimensions less than 1, the decimal point should come after 0. For example, 0.25, 0.45, 0.85, and so on. 7. The units centimeter and millimeter should not be written beside the dimensions. However, after the measurement is taken, a note should be made on the drawing stating the units of all the dimensions. Scale drawings are used to design a broad range of different projects. Gardens, kitchens, and even spacecrafts have all been constructed by following a scale drawing. Look at the scale drawing. It is a design of a bungalow. You should notice that the dimensions for the rooms are in millimeters. This is common in the building trade as precision is very important. The dimensions for the outside are in meters. There are 3 types of questions you can be asked when studying scale drawings. The first question involves calculating the scale factor of the drawing. In other words, what scale label should be present on the diagram? Centimeters, meters, or millimeters? The second type of question you could be asked is to work out how large an object from a plan is in real life using measurements and a given scale. This is known as enlargement scale. Finally, you could be asked to produce a scale drawing from a given scale factor and measurements. This is scale reduction. Some objects are either too big for the actual size of the drawing to be contained on a paper, while some are too small for the parts to be clearly seen. Scale is usually given as a ratio, and they are stated in the title block. A scale is used to draw, and the types include 1. Full scale or full size. In this case, an object is drawn to its size in all dimensions. This is the scale used to represent objects as they appear in real life or as it is given on a diagram. It is technically written as a ratio of n/n, where n represents any number. 2. Reduced scale drawing. The actual size of the object is reduced in proportion to the drawing. The reduced size is used when the object is enormous. Reduced scale ratios are technically written as 1/n, where n could represent any number. That is 1/2, 1/5, 1/10, 1/100, 1/1000, and so on. For example, Tina is producing a scale drawing of a swimming pool she plans to build. The pool's dimensions are 2 meters by 6 meters. When she measures the drawing on her plan, she sees that it is 8 centimeters by 24 centimeters. What scale should she include in her plan? To answer this question, you should use the same units. The question uses meters and centimeters, so change everything to centimeters. Actual pool's dimensions are 2 meters by 6 meters, while Tina's drawing on paper are 8 centimeters by 24 centimeters. From the information present, we can see that in Tina's drawing, 8 centimeters equals 200 centimeters in real life. We can divide 200 by 8 to see what 1 centimeter represents. 200 divided by 8 equals 25. The scale she should use is 1 centimeter ratio 25 centimeter, or 1/25. 3. Enlarged scale. This is used when the object to be drawn is too small to be clearly seen. Here, the normal size of the object is expanded in proportion to the drawing. The enlarged scale ratio is written as n/1, where n could be represented as any number. For example, 2/1, 10/1, 100/1, 1,000,000/1. In this example, 1000 meters ratio 1 millimeters means 1000 meters on the drawing represents 1 millimeter in actual size. For example, Peter is using an internet tool to design his ideal skateboard park. The scale of the design is 1/150. James measures the drawing dimension to be 10 centimeters by 13 centimeters. What size would the skateboard be in real life? Give your answers in meters. First, he must convert his measurements using the scale factor. 10 centimeters times 150 equals 1500 centimeters, while 13 centimeters times 150 equals 1950 centimeters. Then we must convert this into meters by dividing them by 100. 1500 divided by 100 equals 15 meters. and 1950 divided by 100 equals 19.5 meters. Therefore, his answer is 15 meters by 19.5 meters. Answer the following question to test your knowledge of the topic. 1. Explain scale drawing. 2. Discuss two types of scale drawing. 3. Enumerate the materials used in scale drawing. We have come to the end of this topic. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!